Alright, today is Zippo Saturday, and the theme of today's video is brass. Zippo makes a whole bunch of brass lighters. First one, it came in a regular Zippo box and they relabeled it, but it is a genuine Zippo made in USA in Bradford, PA. Now this is a pretty simple one, or plain, nothing special about the box, but as you can see it's engraved and it says solid brass. So the body of this brass Zippo is solid brass, and this one was made in J of 23. Pretty good stampings on this one. It's kind of a brushed brass. It's got a really good sound opening, and it's got a brass colored steel insert. Now these inserts that look like they're brass are actually steel. Here's another one. Here's a magnet. You can see it's steel. I was told that they don't make these inserts out of brass because it's too soft for a Zippo insert. So this one lights up really nice. As long as we got it lit, let's do a drop test. Stayed lit, it just bounced for about 2 feet. Alright, so this solid brass Zippo passes the drop test nicely. I have quite a few brass Zippos. Let's take a look at another one. This is a pretty fancy one. It is the, let's see, it's not the Punisher, it's the Assassin's Creed, that's what it is. And it's pretty high polished, kind of scuffed up a little bit. I've been using this one to show off. That is the Assassin's Creed logo, and this is an armor. You can see the little A inside a flame and crest, or a shield. The shield's got an A, and this was made in A of 17, which is January, about 7 years ago. Really good stampings on this. Now these armor Zippos are thicker than a normal Zippo, and they also have, usually brass ones usually have the brass colored insert. I don't think this one's got any fluid in it. Nope. That is the Assassin's Creed logo, a really nice one. Fairly collectible. And those were both made in the USA and definitely deserve a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.